Hello, welcome back again. So yeah, let's get some content making. I've been doing up the garage next door, so I'm putting a knock through wall if you watched the last video. I've actually put the ramp in already. I've got COVID, so I've had to like shut the garage and everything like that, so I'm just kind of doing jobs that I want to do now that I've got time for now. So I bought this winch, I'll link in the description, but this is basically going to be bolting to the floor. We've got these, can't remember what they are, I'll put these in the description and I'll put the winch in the description, but basically these sink in the hole and they'll be flush with the hole, so that'll be like the floor level there, and then they'll sink in. They've got like a bullet type thing, so when that goes down it spreads open and that's it seated. So once it's in, it's in. I want that because I'm going to use the engine crane to go through and down into the next area, and I didn't want, like, if it's the other way and this is the floor here, I don't want studs sticking out the ground, so I can run over these, and I can't run over if it sticks out. So that's the plan. The winch basically is just a garage winch to pull cars in, you know, if they've got no engines, because through there is going to be like the kind of fabrication building area, and a lot of times you just get a shell and that's it. So sometimes it's a bit of a pain getting in if you've not got a flat surface outside and then flat in. It's, you know, I've got a ramp to get into the garage. So this is my idea. Pretty simple. We'll have this on here like that. Cut that box there, and I'm going to put box this way as well, and then weld this onto that and this onto here, and then we'll have our bolts going through there. I need to step it up. I wasn't going to actually use this, but I'm going to step it up because where the bolts go through, you know, I need the space to get the bolts in, and then also the bolts for this is the 4 holes here, so I needed the space. So yeah, I'm just being lazy and I'm just going to weld this plate onto there and that onto there. I'm not going to mess around bolting things. So yeah, shame about the powder coating, but I really don't care. So let's get a time lapse going and you'll basically see the end result pretty quick. Okay, so that's all welded up, ready to go. Gonna put it somewhere here, put my bolts through. I'm missing one. I'm going to drill it with a 15mm bit. These are 16mm inserts, so might just need a wee bit of persuasion, but I kind of want that, and then it'll be nice and tight, and then tighten the bolts up with an impact gun and it should flare it out. Job done. And then I just need to mount the winch and get a good battery, so let's get going. Right, had to get the wife to get me this one, so I had to get a 20mm one. This was like £15 or something like that, because stupid me, this is 16mm, but this is 20mm, and I watched a video, and so these should just drop in. You shouldn't need to hammer them in, they should just drop in, and there's like a pin inside there, and you hit that. I'm just going to take a punch and hit it, and then it must just split that, and then that's it seated. So we'll try that. Okay, I've got my battery there. I've got the pins already, or the anchors already in, so I'm going to hit them with a punch. The pin, see if they seat. Feel it down. Don't know how much to hit it like, but. I've done them a wee bit deeper than the actual anchor was, so the pin's got room to go down, but I don't know if that makes a difference. Okay. That's in. Maybe give them one last dunk just to make sure, a good one. Should have maybe there in here yet because I need to knock through the wall behind me, so this will do it. Ryobi to the rescue.
Ooh, dusty.
Yeah. Right, here we go. I've got the remote, so it should work. In. Right, we've got some weight there. I'm pulling on the arm, so it's not great. So hopefully it don't snap. I'm going to sit in the car to pull it, just in case. I don't want to go snap and go back into the car. That's how confident I am with my welding. Or the anchor bolts probably are more the thing I'm worrying about. Let's try it. Oh, nearly forgot. Get ahead of myself. Need to get these. Okay, I think we're ready. Handbrake off and let's go. Just so I can see. Right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. What's the winch doing at the front? I don't want to pull the arm right down. That's okay. Right, I'm just going to come right over it and then onto these things. Boom. I think that's what I meant to do. I think I meant to come onto these. I think. Maybe I'll just leave it there. Yeah. I think I'll just leave it there. But here, that worked pretty well. Quite chuffed with that. So now it means that I can, I'll put this battery up on here, out of the way, kind of crotch height, and then this can unbolt and I can hook it onto the wall, get some better fittings for the battery. But yeah, worked really well.